Welcome to Lifehack's 101 Essential Tips and Tricks for Everyday Life. In this video, we will be sharing some amazing life hacks that will make your everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Scene: footage of a person waking up and going through their morning routine. Start your day off right with these morning routine hacks. Learn how to streamline your morning, from making a quick and healthy breakfast to getting dressed in no time. Scene: footage of a person working in a productive environment. Boost your productivity with these clever hacks. Discover techniques for better time management, efficient organization, and staying focused throughout the day. Scene: footage of a person cooking and preparing meals. Get ready to become a master chef with these handy cooking hacks. Learn how to save time in the kitchen, make perfect meals with minimal effort, and impress your friends and family. Scene: footage of a person cleaning different areas of their home. Say goodbye to endless cleaning chores with these cleaning hacks. Discover tips and tricks to make cleaning quick and effective, so you can spend more time doing things you love. Scene: footage of a person organizing their workspace or home. Get your life in order with these organization hacks. Learn how to declutter your space, optimize storage solutions, and create a more organized and stress-free environment. Scene: footage of various life hacks shown throughout the video. Let's recap the essential tips and tricks for everyday life that we've learned today. These life hacks will help simplify your daily routine and make your life easier overall. Thank you for watching Lifehacks 101 Essential Tips and Tricks for Everyday Life. We hope you found these hacks helpful and that they bring more efficiency and convenience into your daily life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.